Hey guys, Tyler with Next Venture Motorsports here. Today we're going to talk about a little thing called our license plate relocation bracket. As you can see on this, if you do any kind of rear bumper that doesn't have the holes or anything for a license plate, we move it up to the spare tire. In this case, he has the small version of the license plate relocation bracket on here, which you can see, depending on the wheel, it does dig a little bit into the tire. So, while we have this vehicle here for an install on some rock sliders, we're going to show you the two differences. So the bracket that's on this Jeep is like this, for a normal base-off factory wheels. Aftermarket wheel bracket is like this. So it gives us a lot more room for a lot more offset wheel choices. So we're gonna swap him out, put the long one on there so we're not gonna damage that brand new tire, and we'll be good to go. Alright, so now, obviously we gotta pull this spare tire off. You go to the lock, then it comes off. Alright, now, it's as easy as this. You just line it back up on all the studs, nice and straight, and it slides right on. Then you just reinstall at the length you want it. Once you find a desired length you really want, you can just cut the end of the bracket off, if you so please. I'm gonna make sure that I can get my camera cover back in there before I wrench on it. Boom. And you just tighten these babies back down and you're all done. If you do have offset wheels and you think you need this longer bracket, leave it in a message on your order or give me a call and we'll get you right the first time.